Are you tired of that default alarm sound on your Android phone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make any song as your alarm on your Android phone. On your phone, navigate to your clock app and click it. Proceed to select the time and the date you want this alarm to ring. So once we are okay with the time, we proceed to click on the alarm sound here. Then proceed to click on the ringtone again. From here, you should allow access to the media files by this clock app. By default, these are the various ringtones that we have on your phone, but this is not what we want. We want a customized alarm. So you should proceed to the plus icon on the top right corner and click there. Once here, you can see the various sounds that we do have. Currently, I'm going to pick the sound by this name, Animate. From there, you can proceed to click on Done here. So from now, anytime we set an alarm, this is the sound that is going to play to alert us when the time is due. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If this is your first time to this channel, consider subscribing to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.